Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Taylor series equation in word using. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to add Taylor series equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to more equation from office.com. Then find the Taylor equation. Here the Taylor equation. Now we insert it. Now we can see we added Taylor series equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.